How to download and install the Bank of America mobile banking application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is quite simple process to download and install the application. For this, head over to Play Store or App Store depending upon your device type. After that, tap on the search icon and then start typing Bank of America. Once this is done, tap on the specific application, then tap on Install button. This should automatically start the download process. It might take time depending upon your internet connection. If it's stable, it should be within 1 to 2 minutes. Once the download is completed, installation will automatically start. After that, you can open the application and use it. Likewise, make sure to give it necessary permissions as well as time to time update the app. You can now open the application and sign in or create the account if you have not already. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.